Hi, welcome back to Stephie Creates. Today is journal with me. So we are going to do a page in this journal. Give me 1 second here. I'm having issues with my light falling down. Okay. So we're going to do a page in this journal. I have not picked out anything yet. So let's see. What page do I want to do? So many pages already done. Let's do maybe this one. Let's do actually this one here. Just gonna pop that back on here somehow. Okay, so I think this page is coming out. This page right here. And I did some jelly prints last week, so I'm just gonna go through and see which one I want to use for this journal. I think I want to do this one. I want to do this one. So, and I want to use the whole thing. So I'm just going to cut off the ends here. Apparently I cannot cut. Okay, this is so pretty. I know that my friend who made this journal for me already tea dyed the paper, but that's okay. So I want it to just be in the middle here. So I'm gonna go ahead and glue that down. I have not decided on anything else yet. I hope you guys can see. But I just knew I wanted to use one of my jelly prints. I'm just gonna take my big fat glue stick here. Just put glue all the way around. Really cool. That page obviously isn't as tall, so I'm just trying to make sure that the glue I put on that piece doesn't stick to that page. But I also want to make sure that this is stuck really well. I'm just going to, because I don't want it to stick to the other page. I'm just going to stick that there for right now. And hope when I'm done that I can pull it off. Okay. I really like that. That looks really cool. So now that I've done that, what am I going to do now? Yeah, so let's see. We're gonna actually do my vintage photo. And we're gonna put it right here. Yes, I'm glad I picked that color. That is perfect. Alright, so this is the end of this episode of Journal With Me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed watching me create this. It is very simple, but I didn't want to take away from the gold leafing detail and the background I had created already. I absolutely love it. It's beautiful. And I hope you guys enjoyed. And I will see you all in my next video. Thank you all. You have a great day. Bye.